Bored of the same old black and white WordPress tables? Ninja Tables is here to save you with tons of color customizing options. A boring data table can transform dramatically with a splash of color. But it's not just about making your tables pretty. With Ninja Tables, you can color table background, text, border, header, footer, hover animation. To customize the colors, move to the Table Design panel first. You can see two tabs under Table Colors: Predefined Scheme and Custom Scheme. If you pick Predefined Scheme, you will get 14 fixed color combinations that can't be customized further. But the Custom Scheme option is where you can have all the fun. From here, you can color the background, text, and border of search bar, table header, table body, alternate table rows, footer. Select one block from the coloring panel and pick a color by moving on the color picker. You can also paste any RGBA code and customize it. Since the color controls are up to you, the table can look however you want. For example, if you enable the Use Alternate Color Schema for Table Rows option, you can alternate odd and even row cell colors. And if you want some colors to pop up while hovering over the table, change the settings in the Table Body Colors panel. After choosing the color for a cell, hit Update Settings and open the preview window to see how the table looks. Try out this feature and watch your tables get more attention. Get our latest updates on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to WP Manage Ninja for more videos like this.